Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to our brand new video. You can see here I have two trucks. One is yellow color, one is red color. Also have one animal vehicle. The animal vehicle also have one cow, and also there have a one red color Spider-Man bus, one sky color green line bus. You can see guys. Here also have a small scooter is red color, one small R17 bike, also have one a small yellow color R17 bike. You can see guys, the yellow color R17 bike looking good. The yellow color R17 bike have four wheels, two small wheels and two big wheels. You can see black color wheels and yellow color bike. Guys, put into track, you can see red color and yellow color combination. The bike is yellow color and the track is red color, looking good. What is the next one vehicle? Guys, you can see the next one vehicle also is R17 bike, red color and black color combination. The R17 bike have also four wheels, two small wheels and two big wheels. Wheels are black color. The bike is red color. The bike also have front light. You can see guys, the bike is looking good. Guys, also this bike looking good and put into track guys. You can see yellow color and red color combination. The bike is red color. And what is the next one guys? The next one is red color and yellow color combination, a small scooter. The scooter have three wheels, one is black color wheels and two is red color wheels. You can see guys, looking good. Put into track guys. The scooty is small but our truck have not space. You can see guys, truck have not a space, and after putting the truck we are going to our destination guys. Put into truck, you can see guys, need some time and already done guys. Bye bye guys.